what's up? Now I'm gonna show you how to make a bootable USB pen drive for Windows 10. So let's get started. Go to Google and write down Rufus and press enter. Click on the first link and scroll down till you get the download link. Click here to download the latest version. After downloading, you will see an icon like this. Double click to open the icon. Now select a USB pen drive. My one is 16 GB. For Windows 10, the file size is little bit bigger. So it's better to use a 8 GB pen drive, but you can try a 4 GB pen drive. Now in boot section, select disk or ISO image. Select the destination path where your Windows 10 ISO file is. Click on it and click open. Now partition scheme. This option is very important because if you have a GPT type hard disk partition, you have to select GPT, and if you have a MBR type hard disk partition, then you have to select MBR. I will show you later how you can find out your hard disk partition type. Leave it as default as it is, then click on start and it will start the process of making bootable pen drive. After finishing the process, go back to your USB drive and boom, it's ready to use. Now I am gonna show you how you can find out your hard disk partition type. Just go to my computer, right click on it, select manage. Now click on disk management. As you can see, I have two different disks, disk 0 and disk 1. But I want to install my Windows in disk 0. So right click on disk 0 and go to properties. Then click on volumes. Now you can see partition style is MBR type. So I have to select MBR type so I can get right bootable pen drive for me. My work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.